So I am taking the opportunity to explore, play in nature, to sort of provide a practical element to my training. And it's a beautiful day here in Germany. It's gorgeous. It's got all this natural terrain. I love the complexity, the variability, the sort of contextual components to being outdoors. So I took it upon myself to enjoy the day. It was cold the past few days, but now it's not. So we're going to climb some trees, do some running, do some crawling, and just overall work on my movement. So I hope you enjoy.